Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Let's Crack OPSC. Hope all of your preparation going well, and thank you very much for appreciating the kind of a work that I have done, and many of you have shown interest in enrolling yourself in our monthly subscription course. And especially today, as there is only 45 days left, because tentatively OPSC has said that they are going to conduct prelim examination on first week of May. So the seriousness has to be on the next level. If you really want to crack OPSC prelim this time and write main examination, you have to be seriously following the instruction which I have made in many of my videos, and you have to follow each and every aspect and deconstruct the entire syllabus. Focus on the things which are very important, which I have been continuously telling you, because 80% of your effort has to be concentrating on 80% of your syllabus. There is a famous principle called Pareto principle, that is smart study technique, which I personally tell in the many of the videos, that your 80% focus has to focus on maximum portion of syllabus, which most of the time questions are being asked. If you study in such a way, then you will definitely easily crack the prelim examination. Today I am going to tell you about some of the important initiatives by Government of India, especially the Union Government, and what are the things which you have to be looking into, because these are the things which are definitely being asked in the prelim examination, and you will quote this particular schemes in your main answer writing. Especially in the main answer writing, you need to quote this kind of a thing, which will boost your marks in your examination. And for all our paid subscribers like Archana, Pramod, Sangeeta, Ashish, then Mukesh and D. Kamana, for you this will be a long class, and for the people who are watching in YouTube, it will be one kind of a class. So if you really want to have this kind of a classes, do subscribe our monthly subscription. It will hardly cost you 399 rupees. And let's start today's discussion. Name of the portal launched by an objective. What is the name of the portal which is and launched by which of the organization, and what is the basic objective of this particular portal? MSME Saksham. It is SIDBI plus TransUnion Civil. MSME Saksham to finance and credit the MSME sector. You know MSME sector, that medium and small and medium enterprise. These are MSME sector and Saksham. MSME Saksham SIDBI, Small Industrial Development Bank of India, and CIBIL, that is Credit Information Bureau of India Limited. Bureau of India Limited, this is the credit civil, and it is to finance and credit the MSME sector. Then Accelerated Vigyan, Union Government Science and Engineering Research Board. It is being done by Union Government Science and Engineering Research Board to encourage and high-end scientific research. It is ensuring high-end scientific research. It is going to be there. Then Suraksha. It is by the Union Ministry of Environment and Forest and Climate Change to collect the real-time data and manage the conflict in real time. It is Suraksha. Suraksha is by, remember, this is Union Ministry of Environment and Forest and Climate Change. Who is the minister currently? It is Prakash Javadekar, to collect the real time data and manage the conflict in the real time. Then Sparrow Portal. Sparrow Portal is by Union Territory of J&K. Remember, the J&K is right now it is Union Territory, and another one it is Ladakh. To bring transparency by avoiding loss of appraisal reports. To bring transparency appraisal report by many of the things. That is PM Swanidhi portal and SBI Bank e-Mudra portal. Very important. They can ask you about this particular thing. PM Swanidhi portal and SBI Bank e-Mudra portal. It is Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. If they will ask you which ministry is the responsible for PM Swanidhi and e-Mudra portal, it is Ministry of Urban and Housing and Urban Affairs. Loan sanctioning to street vendors. It is loan sanctioning to street vendors. All those street vendors, they can be sanctioned loan so that they can bring a big scale, you can say, progress in their own business, whatever they are doing. Then Champions Portal, Ministry of MSME. Champions Portal is Ministry of MSME. Then it is to make smaller units to big ones by solving their grievances, motivating them, helping support in all terms as and when required. It is Ministry of Medium and Small Enterprise. This is about helping the Champions Portal. It is by helping them and to solve their grievances, whatever the grievances they are having, to solve them so that MSME becomes a big industry. Then e-Gram Swaraj portal and Swamitwa scheme, PM Modi to strengthen e-governance in PRI in whole country. E-Gram Swaraj portal and Swamitwa scheme, very very important. PM Modi to strengthen, it is launched by Prime Minister Modi to strengthen e-governance in PRIs, Panchayati Raj institution, in the whole country. It is going to be in the whole country. Yukti 2.0 portal, very important. Yukti 2.0, Ministry of HRD, Ministry of Human Resources Development. Systematically assimilate technology having commercial potential. Yukti 2.0 portal is what? By Ministry of Human Resources Development, systematically assimilate technology, those technologies which will help in commercial viability, whatever the commercial viability is there, which can be helpful. Responsible AI for Youth and AI portal, Ministry of Electronics and IT, Communication and Law. It is about Ministry of Electronics, IT, Communication and Law, and to provide platform to young about AI. It is this particular responsible AI is electronic. Remember this, it is electronic and IT, Communication and Law. It is to empower the youth about AI, artificial intelligence. Then Rozgar Bazar, it is a unique concept by Delhi government, that to provide employment opportunity to the people, all those people who are needing employment. The Delhi government has launched this particular Rozgar Bazar, so it can be replicated in other parts of India also. So you can strengthen your answer by saying that unique initiative of Delhi government, that is Rozgar Bazar, can be replicated in Odisha also. Then Restart India, Ministry of Road and Transport, Highways and Shipping. Who is currently the minister? It is Nitin Gadkari. Then to provide mentoring of support to MSME to restart the business. What is this? Restart India. It is the Ministry of Road, Transport and Highways and Shipping. It is to restart the business. All the MSME to restart their own business. Then Aspire Portal. Aspire Portal is International Center of Automotive Technology. It is for automobile sector in the country. Aspire is for automobile sector. It is International Center for Automotive Technology. So let's do a quick recap what we have studied today. MSME Saksham, SIDBI plus Trans-CIBIL. It is to finance and credit the MSME. Accelerated Vigyan, Union Government Science and Engineering Research Board to encourage high-end scientific research. Suraksha, Union Ministry of Environment and Forest and Climate Change. It is to collect the real-time data and manage conflict in the real time. Sparrow Portal, Union Territory of J&K to bring transparency by avoiding loss of appraisal report. PM Swanidhi Portal and SBI Bank e-Mudra Portal, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, loan sanctioning to street vendors. Then Champions Portal, it is Ministry of MSME to make a smaller unit by solving their grievances. Then e-Gram Swaraj, PM Modi to strengthen the e-governance. Yukti 2.0 portal, Ministry of HRD, systematically assimilate technology having commercial potential. Responsible AI for youth, Ministry of Electronics and IT, Communication and Law to provide platform for young about AI. Rozgar Bazaar, Delhi government to provide employment opportunity to people. Restart India, Ministry of Road, Transport, Highways and Shipping, Nitin Gadkari, and to provide MSME to restart their business. Aspire portal, International Center for Automobile Industry Technology for automobile sector. So this was all about the apps and initiative launched by Government of India, and all those subscriber of our monthly course. This particular class is going to be a huge class. Do stay with us. Sangeeta, then Mukesh, then Archana, then Pramod, Ashish, all of you have subscribed our monthly subscription. Do continue. We will be continuing in the next. And all those people who are interested in our monthly, it will hardly cost you 399 rupees per month. And do subscribe our monthly course. It is going to be very, very helpful for your prelim preparation. Thank you very much.